Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about the Sahara airdrop or Sahara AI Labs airdrop with the SIWA airdrop for it. In this video I'm going to walk you through every single thing related to this particular airdrop, which are from one, how to be able to claim your faucet, that's your SIWA airdrop faucet from the Sahara AI Labs. Two is how to be able to connect your EVM wallet, that is your Metamask wallet. Three is how to be able to set up your account. And four is to be able to create your AI agent. And finally, how to be able to mint your SIWA airdrop NFT. Okay, it's mandatory for you to be able to mint your NFT for this particular airdrop task. In addition to that, in minting the NFT, there is going to be a TXT file, that's a text file that you are going to be able to use. Then you can decide to create yours, but I also created a sample of it and I'm going to put it in my Telegram account. So head over to my Telegram account or my Telegram channel for you to be able to get it or download it and just upload it on your own account. Okay. That being said, if you are new here, my name is Odis Profits and I make content about crypto tech and finance. Do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification, as well as join the Telegram channel that is linked in the description. In addition to that, every single thing related to the links for this particular video will be put in the description, so you can just be able to claim them or use them at your convenience. That being said, let's get started. So the first thing here is to be able to click the faucet link, faucet right here. That's what we are going to be doing, and it will take you to this particular website. Mind you, I am using a Mrs. browser and my desktop mode is, I set my account on desktop mode, as you're already seeing it right here. I put it on desktop mode so you can be able to do that the same. All right, this is desktop mode and that's what you should be able to do, so it will help you when interacting with this particular airdrop. Once it's there, make sure that you click like you are a human. Okay, that's, make sure that you click confirm it. Then you can be able to press on connect your wallet. Okay, so that's the first thing that you need to be able to do here. If I should zoom it in, there are certain things: Con98 control wallet, Metamask, as well as Phantom. For the EVM, I'm using a Metamask right here, so I just clicked on my Metamask. Then most importantly, it is going to prompt you to be able to open your Metamask via the extension. This is not the app, it is from the extension. Okay, so when you click on the extensions panel, you see the Metamask that is right here. This is my Metamask that is right here, and that one symbol that is showing on it, this is it. So I'll just click on my Metamask and the prompt will open for me. This prompt will be to tell me whether I want to be able to allow Sahara Labs to connect with my account. So here is the connection for the Sahara Labs. Then I'll click on connect and allow it to be able to connect with my Metamask, and it is connecting for me. And yes, it has finally connected. This is on my Metamask. So I'm going to go back since it has actually connected. Click on the text approve before going back to make sure that it is added into your wallet. Then the next thing that you need to be able to do right now, it is now on my Metamask as you are seeing it, is to press receive. That's click on the receive button to copy your wallet address and give it to the Sahara Lab so that you can be able to use it to claim your faucet. So you click on receive because you want to receive faucet tokens. So you click on receive, then you go back to the faucet website. All right, so you can just close it here and click on connect. Please connect your wallet. That's pasting your faucet wallet. Once you have connected your wallet, it will change the interface to this. So you need to be able to request, because my wallet has now been connected both on top right here, that's as you're already seeing it, as well as here on the account. That's my wallet address is there. So you press on verify that you are human, that's allow it to verify. Then after that, you press the request. Now it's success, then press the request button for you to be able to get your tokens requested. So request successfully sent, that's please wait for it to be able to connect. So it has successfully sent. Then I should go back to my Metamask right now and check it. If you don't have a zero point 0.1 ETH. That's if you don't have ETH in your wallet, you can be able to use the Faucet trade bot in in your Telegram, so that you can be able to claim free testnet tokens, okay, by just performing a menial task like solving a captcha. So that is what you need. I'll put the link in the bot in the description. That's for those who don't have ETH, you don't have Ethereum, for you to be able to, that is a minimum balance. You can be able to use this and claim the Faucet tokens for the Sahara Labs. It is quite easy to do. Just follow the prompts. They will allow you to be able to maybe perform a captcha, and you can be able to do it. Then you send in your wallet address. Now I've already done the AI in terms of the captcha. I'm going to send in my wallet address from my MetaMask right here. So I'll go to my MetaMask, okay? This is my MetaMask, and I'm going to press receive, okay? That I'm receiving the testnet tokens. All I'm doing here is to put it on the Telegram bot in order to be able to claim. That's if you don't have ETH, okay? So I've copied it, and I'm going to go back to the Telegram, that's the Telegram bot right now, and impute the testnet tokens that it is requesting me. So I'll just place it here and press the send button. So your transaction is being processed. You will be receiving your Sahara AI testnet within 1 or 2 minutes. Also, you can be able to use this free Faucet trade bot in order to get other testnet tokens like Monad, Sepoila ETH, name them. There are many of them. You can be able to use this Telegram bot to be able to claim free Faucet tokens, so that you don't need to be able to complain in terms of the interaction, but you can get the testnet tokens for yourself. All right. So if you go back to the Mrs. browser and continue our interactions, the next set is for you us to just wait for our. Now, as you can see it, I have 0.005 Sahara tokens right now. So I can be able to start my interaction with the website. That's the reason why I did this. Is if you don't have money to be able to buy, like I have ETH, okay, on mine, and as much as it's in base, I have $13 worth of ETH on my account. So if you don't have, you can be able to use the Telegram bot to get free Faucet. I'll put the Telegram bot link in the description so that you can be able to get it and quickly get your Sahara tokens. Then once you have gotten your Sahara tokens, the same way that I have done, that's from here, I have 0.005 Sahara. We now move over to the official website that it's also in the description, where you will complete every single thing left because we have gotten our testnet tokens. So let's jump right into that part, which is to go back to our tab and click on the main website. So this is the main website here. This is the main website here. And again, the next thing that you need to be able to do once you open the website is to connect your wallet again, that same wallet that you used previously. Okay, so you need to be able to connect the same wallet again. My Mrs. browser is on the desktop mode. That is why it is actually large, in as much as I'm using a mobile phone to do it. So we click on connect wallet. You can either do click on the connect wallet there, or you can decide to click on the connect wallet that is on top here, next, almost towards the header of the website. So either one that you choose, but I'll just click on that one and it will open my MetaMask. Make sure it's that same MetaMask account that you are using. So I'll click on MetaMask and wait for it to be able to connect for me. Now that it's loading, you can able to open the extensions tab that is below and click on the MetaMask so that it will make necessary confirmations. Okay. Waiting for it to be able to just load quickly so that we can be able to confirm our interaction with it. Okay, it's loading my MetaMask, and this is it here. So Sahara Labs with my Sahara Labs Sahara tokens. So I'll just press on connect again and allow it to be able to load. Although I've done it earlier, but it has actually connected to the account. Okay, so the next is for me to be able to go back to that particular website again. Okay, let me just go back to the particular website. That's our initial website, and make sure that we sign the message. Okay, it's prompting us to also sign the message. So we can go back to our testnets, that's our MetaMask again, because we have connected. After you connect, you sign the message, that's signature request. This is it. So you just press on it again in the MetaMask, and it has actually connected fully. That it should be, then it has authenticated. So right now it has now opened up. As you can see, it how our website as well, sorry, our wallet connection has been done here. This is it. Then the next is for us to be able to impute our details. For this part, it's a confidential thing. I'll just press on my country, which is Nigeria, okay, and impute Nigeria there. All right, so I'll just impute it and it will go for me. Then the other things that are here, I will not be, I'll actually have to be able to pause the video and impute all my details. Okay, that's my preferential. My nickname is Odis Profits. There's no need to be able to hide it. Then Odis Profits. Okay, so the next thing is for my date of birth as well as the other things. But I'm going to pause the video so that you don't, it's my confidential information and I don't need to be able to expose it like that. All right, so you can close yours and do that. After that, we'll just press on the create button, then we move on. So I'm going to pause it now to put my details. Now, once you come back to the home page, all right, the next will be to be able to register your AI assets. That's this thing here, which is right here. Register your AI assets. That's the next thing that you need to be able to do in order to you to create your NFT as well as mint it. All right. So now is I'm going to put again the txt file that you need. It's a simple based txt file. Just you can create your own by going to your maybe Google Docs and writing something there in order for you to be able to upload. If you don't want to use mine in the Telegram, how do you do that? That's if you want to do it, you can just go to your Google or Google Docs, open a file there, write anything, whatever you want to write, save it as a TXT, okay, and then download it to your mobile device and upload it in the Sahara website. That's how you can be able to do it. Okay, so I'll just click on this particular place, that's go, and it will open every single thing. That's my asset name or whatever. So my asset name is just simple thing. I'll just write Odis Profits again. But before you do so, please create a new folder on my assets. That's this thing here that you're already seeing, my assets. In addition, before you go through that place, please create a new folder. It will help you out when you are doing your registration. So you can go here and click on it, then click on new folder on top. That's right here, the new folder on top right here. Okay, I'll just click on it and it will open a new folder for me. You need to be able to create a folder so that it will work. So I'll just press it, Odis Profits Sahara. That is the name of the folder, and description is, let me just put it YouTube. Okay, so I'll just create a new folder there. So I'll just create a new folder. I've created a new folder and I'll go back to my main account, okay, and click on register. Then that's the place that I also said register. So I'll just press on, let's just say this again. All right, now let me just say profits. I'll just put on profits. Modality is text, then the language is English, then select the folder. That's Odis Profits Sahara is the name of the folder. Then remark is YouTube. I'll just put YouTube there. Anything, you can literally put anything that you want. Okay, and the next will be to upload a file. Okay, so next will be to upload a file. So I'll click on the upload section. Click on the upload section here. I'll click on it and I'll use that txt file. Okay, so this is the txt file. I'll put mine. Then you can decide to create your own. Okay, this is a sample text. That's just one of the things that I wrote there. And if you don't want to use mine, okay, I'll put it in description. You can be able to use your own. All right, so my NFT has now been opened. That's, I can now register it with ERC721. So this is my account. So I'll just press on register my NFT, because that's what we are doing now. We have actually uploaded it. We now need to be able to register the NFT and make sure that it is functional and mint it. So it is redirecting me to the Metamask, and I'm going to put my wallet there and confirm my transactions. So I'll press on it, get my transaction ongoing, then transaction request and confirm. So it will require me to sign up, and it has now fully registering my NFT for me. Okay, right now it has now registered the NFT, okay, and it is now owned by me, and I've now successfully minted it completely. So you can decide to see the details if you want, that's by yourself, show your metadata by yourself, as well as any form of comment by yourself. So Sahara Labs by odysprofit.txt, that is every single thing for the Sahara Labs SIWA airdrop. Okay, so we have successfully done it, and I'll just close on it, and it has now worked for me. So basically that's every single thing about this video. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, and join the Telegram channel that is linked in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.